So right now, I want to talk a little bit about the maintenance that I am doing right now on my clothes dryer. So I got it away from the wall here, I unplugged it, and now I'm kind of just vacuuming and getting all of that dust and lint buildup. I recently changed the heating element in my sister's clothes dryer, and I noticed there was so much lint buildup that I thought to myself, hey, this is probably actually pretty dangerous. I went and looked it up, and actually there are reports, there's over 13,000 home fires that are started because of clothes dryers, and close to 30% are because of lint buildup or because of the lint, and it's not venting properly. So I wanted to check my clothes dryer and make sure that it is nice and clean. Now, one sign that you might have a problem is if your clothes dryer is not drying your clothes as fast or as efficiently as it used to. So for this clothes dryer, I'm just pulling it away from the wall here, and then I'm just going to vacuum what I can. Now, some models you can pull the entire back off of. This one's not that easy. You actually kind of have to take the whole dryer apart. So here I'm just taking apart the vent hose and the kind of the vent area. So I've got two pieces to this dryer here. So here's the vent hose that connects to the back of the clothes dryer and then goes to the outside, and that vents out of your house. This hose right here actually goes into the dryer itself. So this, with one screw here, I was able to go ahead and pull that out. And then if you can see it from there, I'll get you a better shot here. It's got a little bit of buildup as well, and then around the outside here also. I'm not doing anything fancy here. I've just got my home vacuum here with the hose extension on it here. So this is just an upright vacuum. And I'm just using my hose extension here with the little brush on the outside here. And I'm just going to vacuum this off, vacuum up the inside there, and clean it up nicely. While I'm doing that, I do just want to highlight that I'm really glad that I did this project, because while I was back there, I did notice that I had a really big kink in my vent hose. And that's good to know, because I want to go ahead and change that vent hose to help minimize or reduce the risk of any issues on down the line. So again, just cleaning out this vent hose. When I'm happy with it, I'll go ahead and stop here, just kind of vacuum up again around the dryer, get what I can, get inside the clothes dryer. It's pretty tight, I can't get that much, but at this point, I'm really just looking for any big major problems, big dust bunnies, big balls of dust or dirt or anything like that, and getting those. But overall, it's not gonna be perfect, but I just want to get what I can just to kind of reduce any risk, and then of course maximize the efficiency of my clothes dryer. So there we go. I am very happy with how this cleaned up. Now again, I am going to change this hose, but for the time being, I'm just going to kind of put it back together till I can get to it this weekend. It's going to be fine for just a couple more days. Now, getting this vent hose back in place, it's not really hard, but it can be a little bit tricky. You just have to get kind of down there at eye level, line it up, use a flashlight, and then just slide it onto the hose inside of the dryer itself, and then secure it back in place with that screw. And then once you have everything back together, of course, you can put everything back the way it was. So this is something that I'm going to be doing once a year now. I think it's a great maintenance to do on the dryer, and I'm really surprised with how much dust and lint there actually was in my case. So hopefully that was helpful. Just another little thing that I'm going to add to my list to do on yearly maintenance. If you want to know more about some clothes dryer maintenance that I did, or maybe how to change the heating element on one, I did that recently. You can check out that video. Also, if you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.